We are given this diagram and we are asked ABCD is a parallelogram. We are now asked to find the area of triangle IHG. The answer to this question is very simple. The answer is 17. The area we are looking for, triangle IHG, is 17. That's the 17 here, minus the sum of these 4 plus 2, which is 17 minus 6. The answer is 11. The answer is option B. Okay. The solution is too fast. Okay, let me just analyze why that answer is like that. We are giving this a parallelogram, meaning all the sides are equal or congruent. This and this are the same because the area, if you remember, area of a parallelogram is base times height. And looking at this, assuming we have our height to be h, why this is our base. So we know that area is height. Let me write height. So we know that area of a parallelogram is base times height. Again, we know that area of a triangle is half base times height. So yes, so we are now saying that if we call area of triangle EDC A1, the remaining area to be A2 and A3. You can see that A1 is half of the area of the parallelogram. That's ABCD. Yes, because as you can see, they have the same base and the same height. So it's half of that. Base times, they have the same base and height. For area of A1 to be half of that implies that the remaining area, which is A2 and A3, the sum will also be half the area of the parallelogram. That is half of area ABCD. So because this is half, the remaining will be the remaining half. So I'm saying that A1 is the same thing as A2 plus A3. So we need to know this. That likewise this, that are the same, A1, A2, A3. So that A1 is A2 plus A3. So that's the first thing. And coming to this diagram, you have that diagram now, just drawing the two in one diagram, this and this. As you can see, this is the first one. Why this? So let's label the areas different. Let's label it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We can see that remember, for this that B plus E plus H, that's this triangle, is the same as A plus D plus G plus what? C plus F. From what I just explained, that this area is the same as this plus that. So that's the first thing you have to know. Again, remember, in that same, because they have the same base and height, you can easily see that this this one, which is that same B plus E plus H, will also be equal to D plus E plus F. Yes, because looking at this diagram, that same A1, because that same base and height, just remember that the same, that the same diagram. So meaning that we can replace this with this, so which implies that A plus D plus G plus C plus F could be replaced with that. So we've replaced this with this now. We now write this D plus E plus F. And looking at the diagram, we have common terms. D is there, D is there. F is there, F is there. So we are left with E here. DF is gone, DF, and we're left with A plus C. Sorry. So G plus A plus C is now E. So what do you see? If you exclude the other areas bounded by the 2, so this, if you add this, is and this, the answer is what? E. So A plus C plus G is E. So let's go over to our original diagram. So as you can see, do you see it? Compare. So we are looking for G. So this is our G now. We are looking for G. So G is now what? Since you add this, this and this gives us that. The remaining is what? You subtract their sum. So that's how we got the answer as 11. So it's very, very tricky.